family, affordability, efficiency, quality. All the things you love when you eat, all at several convenient locations. But why trust me? I'm just a wireless voice. Let's hear what our customers have to say.
I grew up coming to Joe's, and when I heard about the reopening, I knew it would be great.
I'm new to town, and I love chicken, but I've also been trying to eat healthier. Thanks to Joe's Chicken Shack, I can do both.
See what I mean? With our improved menu and brand new all organic options, still at an affordable price, Joe's Chicken Shack is a place for everyone.
Come to Joe's, where chicken is the crab of the lands.
So I came back